Hey my friends, welcome back. Yeah, as you can see in today's video, I'm gonna paint a very famous lake, the Lake Como in Italy. Yeah, as I know that most of you don't like to see me paint other things than water. I basically skip the part of the sky and the mountains, and we just concentrate on the water part and the rocks. And yeah, as you can see, we basically just kind of mirror the sky part, getting darker with the water in the front, sparing out the parts of the rocks. Yeah, putting it in roughly the color and the shape they will possess later on. Then we let the whole thing dry and grab the special brushes here. Start to kind of basically remix the colors again. See here, I'm using purified linseed oil to thin down the color. Some areas quite a bit, as we have to see again here, grabbing some fresh linseed oil. I'm using some areas kind of a glaze, more or less, and not really a solid amount of color, more or less. And this really helps to build up the overall look of these reflections on the water. They will really start to look simply better, more realistic. Then you see me making a mess with the color, getting darker, and building up now the rocks. Again, kind of a dry brush technique with a partially thin down color to really have some glazing effect on the rock, to basically let the first layer of paint shine through, and this really helps to make it look just better. In this case here, we also need to put in the reflection of the rock onto the water. But we also need to put in basically the part that is beneath the water, basically the floor of the sea. And as we have a very shallow water here, we kind of add those details right now. As you can see here, the left part, basically adding those parts beneath it. Also adding some more reflections on the water from the rock, as you can see here. Sorry. Again, just letting the whole thing reflect in the water. And then we already start to put in the color of the sky. I mean, imagine water to be kind of a mirror, kind of reflecting what's going on in the sky, more or less, in this case here. And therefore we have to add also those lighter colors from the sky. Also darker ones, as you can see here now. Building up already some detail parts, some little ripples. I'm already building up kind of the second layer, obviously from the part, kind of the base layer for the rock part. Just a bit darkening it down, some areas. Putting on the color first, a bit rough, more or less. And then I go back and start to add some more ripples here and there. As you can see, extending some of those onto the reflection of the rock. Adding some more in there. But do let them fade out, kind of. Then here comes, I think, the most important part is the base color for the rocks that we're gonna be put in later, namely now. And I think this is the part where the little rocks that lay on the ground beneath this very shallow water really start to come to life, more or less. And really important is that you kind of use different colors. Obviously, as you can see here, it's a bit brownish colors, these grayish ones, and a bit zoomed in now. Another thing is that you want to have different sizes, different shapes from these little rocks. Some need to be a bit more visible, a bit more coming to the front. Some need to be a bit more pushed to the back. Again, we have all kinds of different colors. And you might wonder, it looks at the moment still a bit not so nice. And therefore I go back and do the magic with a very soft brush that has no color to it. And I basically soften down the edges of all the rocks, more or less. And the more I kind of make those rocks blurry at the edge and a bit less visible, the more they tend to step back into the water, kind of be buried a bit more into the water. And with this kind of simple trick, you very easily build up a highly more detailed looking rock detail part beneath the water than with anything else. And it's a very time saving way of doing so. See, I'm adding some more waves here and there, readjusting some areas by basically putting in the color first and then I rework it. And then I start to also rework the reflection part in the back, as you can see here. And as we kind of have a very small painting, you need to use for this a very sharp, very small, round flat brush, very soft one with long hair that really helps to kind of get on the color very, very detailed, very fine, very in a very detailed way. And I go from left to right and right to left. You can see I first put in the greens, extending them onto the lighter part of the water, and then I went back now, and I'm starting to build up basically the ripples in the back, overlapping the darker color we put in before, as you can see here, left side. And then I'm also readjusting color in the back, you can see here, adding just some more detail, some more reflection, some more darker parts by just adding dark color with this very long soft brush, and start to rub it in to the dry background. Adding some more waves, ripples here and there. Again, kind of dry brushing them in to the dry background. That's the finished painting. If you like to learn how to paint like this, make sure to check out my Patreon. Link is somewhere down below here. Where we have this video in a version of over 4 hours of in detail painting. Don't miss it. That's it for today. But before you leave, make sure you check out one of these other 2 videos here. And subscribe, like, share, and see you next time. Bye.